A slope field is a graphical representation of a differential equation, and it's plotted on a finite set of points in the plane. And it tells us how solutions to first order differential equations behave. So we can see that for y greater than 0, the slope field is all negative. And for y less than 0, the slope field is positive. And for y equals 0, the slope is all 0. And as we can see, as we move along x and keep y constant, the slope field is constant. So therefore, C is the correct answer, because for negative y, the slope field is positive. And we'll get some practice in sketching the slope field using tables in the following problem. Let's draw the slope field for this ordinary differential equation. So what you do is write the derivative in terms of x and y by subtracting 2x on y from both sides, and then you substitute for different values of x and y. So we have x in this direction and y in this direction in a table. And you get the following values for the first derivative y dash in this table. And then what you do is plot these at different parts of the graph. So for example, at x equals minus 2 and y equals minus 2, the slope is negative 2. So it will look something like this. And at x equals minus 1 and y equals minus 2, the slope is negative 1. So it will look something like this. And another example is if we look at x equals minus 2 and y equals 0, the derivative is infinite. So it looks something like this. And if we keep doing this, for every point, the slope field looks like this.